Hi everyone, this is Prasad from weguide Technologies. Today we'll talk about why anyone should join weguide Technologies for .NET training. I would say 5 important reasons for this. One is sustainability. We focus on sustaining in a job, not only getting the job. So once you get a job, you work on projects, right? So in the project, your tech lead or team lead would be assigning some work. That particular work you should be completing on the same day efficiently. You should not be taking support for that, or you should not be depending on someone else to finish that particular work, right? So that's the reason we focus on sustaining in a job. The second one would be we allow the students to practice in the institute only. So that would help in two ways. The first way is in a group they will be practicing it. Always they can exchange the knowledge. So that would be the first help. The second one would be the trainers definitely will be there, like morning to evening. So from morning 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So definitely wherever they struck, actually they can take the trainers help. So that would help them. And the third one would be experienced trainers. So here we have professional experienced trainers there, which are who are having like more than 18 years of professional experience. So that would definitely help. So they will be having like end-to-end knowledge of the project. So that's the reason having that much knowledge would help the trainee. And the fourth one is most of the cases we insist on taking one-on-one sessions. So why one-on-one sessions? Because each trainee grasping level differs, right? So that is a reason. So in a batch, if we are really training them, so that becomes little difficult. So that's the reason we insist on taking one-on-one sessions to them. And the last one but not the least one, which is like we allow the trainees to work on real-time projects. Generally outside people actually say like we also make them work on real-time projects, but what do you mean by real-time projects generally? Just tell me. So real-time project meaning actual user should be using it once that particular project gets complete. So just for sake of real-time projects, we should not be just giving some false promises, right? So but here we really make them work on real-time project. Okay, how exactly it happens is, so we own a company called Harshan Technologies. So here we work on projects, we work on real-time .NET projects. These projects are actually we are developing for some clients. So definitely the trainees will get to work on real-time projects, and also they'll get to work on new technologies. For example, in .NET I would say MVC, .NET Core, Web API, and identity provider like Azure Active Directory. Okay, so like always on new technologies we'll be working on projects, so they'll get to work on latest technologies. So that would definitely help them. So not the least, this is apart from the 5 points which I mentioned, we focus on communication skills as well. So how exactly it happens is we'll be assigning some kind of topics to them, and we ask the trainees to provide some kind of demo, I would say. Okay, so that would definitely help when we are really taking a demo in front of a number of trainees. So that would help them to improve their communication skills. So nowadays that is most important, right? So we do it in that particular way. Fine. So when it comes to the packages, we have 3 packages over here. One is the training part. So here the training would be 3 months. So definitely like full stack .NET training will be there. I'll come to the topics like what and all we'll be covering in .NET. So the second one would be the training plus working on real-time project. Fine. So I've already discussed about what exactly the real-time project is all about. And the third one would be training, real-time project plus the support to get the job. Okay, so in the third one, what exactly we do is like when I mention like support to get a job, we take n number of mock interviews to them. Okay, on daily basis we'll be taking. fine. And like professional trainers are actually taking the mock interviews, okay, that would definitely help them. And wherever they are lagging, so we just allow them to practice that and come back on the next day and try to give one more mock interview. Okay, so our idea is like once they are into the market actually, so within the first and second interview only they should get a job. Okay, so that's how we do it, and it is happening over here. Fine, so that's so fine. Thank you.